The water we need. Water on Earth. Water is a liquid that is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. All living beings need water to live. The Earth has more water than land. Land makes up less than one-third of the space on Earth, but water makes up more than two-thirds of it. The importance of water. We need water for several reasons. Water is essential for all flora and fauna on this planet. If there is no water, life on this planet would be impossible. Water accounts for about 60% of a human's weight. The two categories of water on our planet are salty water and fresh water. Humans need water at home for cooking, cleaning, bathing, washing clothes and dishes, and for other activities. Water is required for growing crops and in factories for various purposes. Water is also used to make electricity. This type of electricity is called hydroelectric power. Forms of water. There are three natural forms of water. They are solid, liquid, and gas. When water freezes, it becomes solid. This solid state is called ice. Water in the liquid state is the water we drink, the water that falls as rain, and the water that is in the rivers and oceans. When water is heated, it turns into its gaseous form. Where water comes from. Water on the earth is mostly present in the oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, and swamps. It is also present in the air as water vapor. In places where the weather is very cold, water is present as ice and snow. But not all water is drinkable. Most of the water is salty water, which we cannot drink or use. Only 2.5% of the water on the earth can be used for drinking. Rainwater is the most important source of drinking water. When it rains, the water fills up rivers, ponds, streams, wells, seas, and oceans. Some of this water goes into the ground and becomes groundwater. Humans dig deep into the earth and construct wells and tube wells to get this water. Dams and tanks are used to store water for future use. Water cycle. The water from rivers, seas, oceans, and lakes is heated by the sun and becomes water vapor. This water vapor rises and becomes a form of cloud. When it cools, the water vapor turns into rain and pours over land and sea. Some of it gets into the ground. Some of it fills up rivers and lakes. The process continues in a cycle again and again. This is called the water cycle. Saving water. You have learnt that drinking water is very rare on the earth. The purest form of water comes from rain. We can use rainwater for drinking and washing. We cannot use water from the oceans and seas because it is salty. Therefore, saving rainwater is very important. One way to save water is to collect rainwater. When rain falls on roofs, this water is collected in a tank so that it is not wasted. This method is called rainwater harvesting. There are also other ways of saving water such as turn the tap off while brushing your teeth. Pour the extra water left over in your glass on plants. Turn off the tap before the water in the bucket overflows. Do not use a shower while bathing. Use a bucket and a mug instead. Repair any water pipes that leak. Water pollution. When water flows down the mountains, it is clean and pure. The river or stream is also filled with pure rainwater that falls from the sky. But on the way to the plains, humans throw many things in it. This includes factory waste, dead matter, garbage, and plastic waste. All these pollute the river. This is called water pollution. The same thing happens to lakes, seas, and oceans. On seas and oceans, ships carrying oil also leak and pollute them. This is harmful to creatures which live in the sea or ocean, such as fish, turtles, birds, and other sea animals. Water pollution harms humans and animals alike. The polluted river and stream water cannot be used for drinking or washing. The polluted water can cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, polio, etc. Preventing water pollution. It is important to prevent water pollution. Factory and household waste should not be thrown into rivers, streams, seas, and oceans. The polluted water bodies should be cleaned up. The government should make strict laws against water pollution and they should be implemented strictly. We ought to throw litter in a garbage can.